Okay friends, today we're going to be drawing a skull for Dia de los Muertos. First thing, make sure your paper is going in portrait orientation. Then we're going to practice drawing a rainbow shape in the middle of our paper. Once I've practiced, I can pick up my pastel, and I want you to watch me do it first. I'm drawing a rainbow shape, almost like an upside down U. Now, I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to draw a little C shape underneath my U. I've practiced it. Now you try. On the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to practice, then I'm going to use my pastel, and I'm going to draw a backward C. And I'm pressing down really hard with my pastels. Now what I'm going to do is draw a line down. I'm going to practice with my fingers. Then I'm going to pick up my pastel and draw a straight line down. Now you try. Then it's going to be the same thing on the other side. Practice with my finger. I'm going to draw a line down. And my line is kind of slanted. Both these lines kind of come in this way, instead of going perfectly straight down. Now I have one more line. I'm going to practice. All I have to do is connect these lines. Let's go ahead and try it. There you go. Now you have a perfect skull shape. What we're going to do next is add the eyes. My eyes are going to be two big ovals in the middle of my skull. I'm not going to draw them all the way up here. You got to save room for a forehead. Your eyes are going to go here in the middle of your paper. Once you've practiced it, go ahead and give it a try. Once you're done with your eyes, we're going to do the nose. The nose is going to go right here. But what we're going to do is turn it upside down. And right there, now we're above our eyes, we're going to draw a heart. I've practiced it. Now I can draw it. There's half a heart. Now there's the other half. Now I have a nose. And when I turn my paper upside down, ta-da! It's an upside down heart. Next thing we're going to add is the mouth. So right here, I'm going to draw a straight line. If you want to have a happy skeleton, you could draw a curved line. So I'm going to draw a curved line so I have a happy skull. Then I'm going to draw some teeth. And I'm just going to practice drawing little ovals on that curved line. What we're going to do next is take an orange pastel and we're going to draw some marigolds. So in the corner, draw yourself a little orange flower. And in each corner, I'm going to put a different orange flower. And marigolds are an important part of the Day of the Dead. They are often used to decorate for this holiday. I'm going to add one more marigold. And there we go. Now I've got my sugar skull. and 1, 2, 3, 4 marigolds. What I get to do next is decorate. I'm going to decorate mine in super speed, and then you can decorate yours on your own. Okay, I've added some decorations to my sugar skull, and now I'm going to paint. We're going to use tempera cakes again today. So we're going to put our brush in the water, then brush in the paint, and you can paint however you want. And what's really cool about the paint that we're using today is that it does not get along with the oil pastels. So if I carefully paint near these lines, the lines are going to help my paint stay in the paper. When I'm ready for a new color, I'm going to give my brush a bath, then pick my new color, and I'm going to remember to keep my paintbrush on my toes. So have fun painting. Okay friends, I am done painting my sugar skull. It's nice and bright and colorful. Notice I didn't paint all this background. Next week we're going to take our sugar skulls and cut them out just like we did with our pumpkin collages, so I can leave this white space. And if you want to leave your sugar skull white, you can do that as well. The very last thing we're going to need to do is sign our name on our work. All right, have fun, amazing artists.